So, there we were, my buddies and I, setting off on what was supposed to be a run-of-the-mill camping trip. Spirits were high, backpacks were packed, and the wilderness awaited. Things took a turn when we realized the tent instructions were nowhere to be found. No biggie, right? We were confident, seasoned campers, or so we thought. Fast forward an hour, and we were huddled around a tent that looked more like a Picasso painting of a kite, flapping precariously with each gust of wind. It was a masterpiece of confusion, a canvas of chaos. John tried to convince us it was avant-garde camping, but the rest of us were unconvinced, especially as the structure swayed like a drunken flamingo. By the time we admitted defeat, night had fallen, and the stars were our only witnesses to our folly. It wasn't until we opened the marshmallow bag for some consolation s'mores that we found the instructions stuck to.